some different models of waves, Nana. The first question is, one equation is given, y1 equal to a into sine of omega t minus 2 pi x by lambda. y2 equal to a2 into cos of omega t minus 2 pi x by lambda plus 5. Okay, these two equations, Nana, find the path difference or phase difference. First, Nana, this is starts with sine, Nana, this is starts with cos. Find the phase difference, both are in sine or both are in cos. This cos will be converted into in terms of sine. According to mathematics, sine of 90 plus theta, cos theta. So write as cos, write as sine, which amount will be added? 90 degree to 5 plus 90 degrees add sine of 90 plus theta cos theta. It becomes here, Nana. That means దీని మొత్తానికి ఎంత యాడ్ చేశాను? 90. ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 1, ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 2. Both are in sine. In this situation, to determine the phase difference. Phase difference అంటే generally final phase minus initial phase. In this situation, phase difference between two waves. Here, this is the phase angle. Total phase is nothing but the angle. Phi to ఎంత సార్ అంటే omega t minus 2 pi x by lambda plus 5 plus pi by 2. Phase difference of the second wave minus phase difference of the first wave. First wave ఎంత ఉంది అక్కడ? Omega t minus 2 pi x by lambda. Look here, plus omega t minus omega t cancel. Minus 2 pi x by lambda minus of minus plus, it will be cancelled. Finally, phase difference becomes 5 plus pi by 2. But here, find path difference now. Yesterday I discussed delta phi equal to, that means phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, nothing but the path difference. Here delta x will be determined according to this formula. Delta x equal to 2 pi by lambda, other side lambda by 2 pi into delta phi. Here delta phi is here, Nana. To substitute, finally we get path difference. Okay, next, Nana, another model, very important model, Nana. Here keyword in the problem is maximum velocity of the particle. Maximum velocity of the particle equal to 3 times of the velocity of the wave. Okay, here maximum particle velocity formula is a omega equal to 3 times of the, once again, particle maximum velocity a omega. Adhe particle maximum acceleration a omega square a over. Velocity of the wave general formula omega by k over n lambda. Omega cancel. Okay, here, Nana, here amplitude equal to 3 by k, Nana. K ante 2 pi by lambda. Okay, here, Nana, 2 pi by lambda. This is according to this equation, lambda equal to 2 pi a by 3. Here 3 by 2 pi, other side 2 pi by 3. Here find the phase difference. Phase difference formula is already discussed. Delta phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. In the question, delta x is given x. Here lambda is substitute 2 pi by lambda here write 2 pi a by 3 into x. 2 pi cancel. What is the phase difference finally? 3x by a. Okay. Next problem nana, very important. Third problem nana. A vibrating tuning fork generates a wave. Wave equation is given. Displacement of the particle is 0.1 sine of pi into 0.1 x minus 2 pi t. Compare the basic equation y equal to a sine of kx minus omega t. Here find the distance travelled by the wave. Fork complete 30 vibrations. Nana, number of vibrations or number of waves made per second is called as frequency. Here nana, omega compare చేస్తే omega ఎంత 2 pi. Omega అంటే 2 pi n equal to 2 pi. What is the frequency value? 1. Frequency basic definition is number of vibrations made per second. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక్క సెకండ్లో 1 వైబ్రేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎంత 1. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వైబ్రేషన్స్ మేడ్ పర్ సెకండ్. మరి ఇక్కడ నానా నెక్స్ట్ నానా 30 వైబ్రేషన్స్కి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది అంటే సింపుల్గా 1 సెకండ్కి 1 వైబ్రేషన్, 30 వైబ్రేషన్స్కి 30 సెకండ్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడ టైం కనుక్కున్నాం నాన్న. జనరల్లీ వాడు ఏమన్నాడు అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ అడిగాడు. డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై ద వేవ్ అంటే వెలాసిటీ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై ద వేవ్ ఇంటూ టైం. జనరల్లీ వెలాసిటీ అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం. హియర్ velocity of the wave formula omega by k into time. Here omega value comparison 2 pi, k value comparison pi into 0.1 write as 1 by 10. Time is given 30. Here pi cancel. 30 into 10 300 into 2 600. Distance travelled by the wave is 600 meters. Hold. Fourth problem nana. Fourth problem. Here nana, keyword in the problem, transverse wave amplitude is given 0.5 meters. Wavelength is given 1 meter. Frequency is given 2 Hz. Is this wave propagating along the negative x direction? Along the negative x direction. Write the equation of the displacement of the particle. The question is write the equation of the displacement of the particle. Nana, wave propagating positive x aithe a sin omega t minus kx. Negative x axis aithe a sin omega t plus kx. According to data, a value is given 0.5 sin of omega write as 2 pi n into t. K write as 2 pi by lambda into x. Here y indicate displacement of the particle, t indicate time, x indicate distance travelled by the wave. Okay, 0.5. All values substitute n. What is the n value? 2. 2 into 2 pi 4 pi t plus 2. Lambda value here write 1. 2 pi x. This is the formula for y nana. Okay. Next problem number 5. Look here nana, is most important problem. Here time lag between two particles is given. Time difference is given 0.02 seconds. Delta x path difference also given 20 meters. Aithe find the velocity of the wave nana. Frequency also given 500 Hz. Okay, look here Nana. Look here. Velocity of the wave basic formula is n lambda. Here velocity determined, n is given but wavelength not given. First determine wavelength. Here keyword in the problem, time difference and path difference. Yesterday I discussed what is the phase difference formula. 2 pi by lambda into delta x, equation 1. What is the phase difference in terms of time difference? 2 pi by capital T into delta t. Both are relation between phase difference and path difference, phase difference and time difference. In the equation 1 and 2, left side same, automatically right side also same. In the equation 1, write 2 pi by lambda into delta x equal to 2 pi by capital T into delta t. 2 pi what? Cancel. Here path difference is 20. Lambda delta x is what? 20. Lambda determined. 1 by t is called frequency. Frequency is given 500. Delta t is write as 2 into 10 power minus 2. Here cancel. 5 into 2 10. Lambda equal to 20 by 10 is 2 meter. Find in this topic velocity of the wave n lambda. N value already given 500. Lambda value 2. 500 into 2 is nothing but the 1000. Okay, 1000 meter per second. Next Nana, I discuss another most important problem Nana. Seventh problem Nana. Look here. Seventh problem Nana. Look here. This is the last problem in the class. Here Nana, one rope is given, suspended, one end fixed. Other end is pulled. That means transverse wave produced from bottom to top. Okay. For example, at a distance y from the bottom, we know the velocity formula under root yg. Squaring on both sides, v square directly proportional to y. Here velocity can be taken as y-axis. Distance can be taken as x-axis. This is y-axis, y square directly proportional to x. Velocity taken as y-axis, distance taken as x-axis. In the mathematics, this is the parabola equation. This is the shape of the graph. Okay. Given options, 4 options, which is better? That is tick. These are all problems to solve Nana. Today wave motion weekend syllabus completed Nana. Today and tomorrow complete revise of wave motion and writing the exam very well. Okay. Nice Nana. Bye.